Hi guys, welcome back to my newest video. Thanks for clicking on it. So today we're going to show you a few different things. I got a haircut to my shoulders. We're going to show you my dog Hassie. Hassie, come on. Come here, girl. Here's the cutie girl. She's just so adorable. Aren't you? Aren't you so adorable? I'm gonna show you our cat. See where our cat is. His name is Oreo. Oreos! Kitty, kitty, kitty. He might be in my room. Here's the little kitty cat. He's so adorable. Aren't you, Oreos? He likes being held like a baby sometimes. Oh, look at that cutie face. He wants to go now. Yeah, so that's it. Bye, guys. Comment down below if they are cute. Yes or no. Bye.